Talk 11, Eye Protection. Today we will talk about our eyes. The eyes are one of the most valuable and wonderful organs. Vision is essential for our daily life. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Try to imagine living your whole life in darkness. You will understand how important your eyes are. Do we protect our eyes enough? Nature gives us some defenses. Eyelashes catch dust and particles. Eyebrows protect from sweat and other liquids. Tears lubricate and clean the eyes. Pupils contract against bright light. These natural defenses help, but are not enough. In the workplace, eyes face greater dangers. We need extra protection in certain jobs. Sparks and splashes from cutting or hammering. Hot metal sparks during casting. Corrosive chemicals, like acids. The simplest and cheapest protection is eye protection. Regular prescription glasses do not provide sufficient protection. Safety glasses only work if you wear them. Leaving them in your pocket or toolbox makes them useless. How to take care of your safety glasses? Keep them in good condition. Don't leave them forgotten. If uncomfortable, get them adjusted. Clean them regularly. Remember, wearing safety glasses may not be comfortable, but it is a small price for protecting your vision. A spark could cause blindness for life if you don't protect your eyes. The sacrifice of wearing them is minimal compared to the benefit. Finally, the company provides the protection. I will remind you to wear it. But the responsibility is yours. If you don't wear safety glasses, all the company's effort is wasted. Prevent accidents today, so you don't regret them tomorrow.